There's something timeless about the American South, where cobblestone streets, oak trees draped in Spanish moss, and the sound of distant waves come together like a living painting. From charming towns that hold centuries of history to islands where the ocean whispers stories of the past, Georgia is where southern grace meets natural beauty. Every view from above tells a story of courage, culture, and a warm spirit that never fades. And today, we're flying over some of Georgia's most magical places. A journey through history, art, and pure southern charm. Let's make this trip even more special. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from right now. 1. Savannah. Let's begin in Savannah, one of the oldest cities in Georgia and a masterpiece of southern architecture. Its cobblestone squares, historic mansions, and oak-lined streets create an atmosphere straight out of a storybook. From the Forsyth Park fountain to the haunted charm of its old buildings, Savannah is pure southern elegance, frozen in time. 2. Tybee Island. Just a short drive from Savannah, Tybee Island offers golden beaches and calm ocean breezes. It's famous for its 18th century lighthouse, sea turtle nesting grounds, and small-town coastal charm. From the air, you can see where the Atlantic meets the sand. A perfect blend of history and nature. 3. Jekyll Island. Once an exclusive retreat for America's wealthiest families, Jekyll Island is now a peaceful escape filled with untouched beauty. The historic district still holds grand mansions known as cottages, built by families like the Rockefellers and Vanderbilts. Driftwood Beach, with its weathered trees and silver sand, looks like something from another world. 4. St. Simon's Island. St. Simon's Island is a place where history and relaxation live side by side. It's known for its ancient oak trees, golden marshlands, and the iconic St. Simon's Lighthouse. People come here to bike along shaded paths, explore Civil War forts, and feel the rhythm of the tides. Do you prefer the quiet charm of an island or the energy of a historic city? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious what kind of traveler you are. 5. Cumberland Island, untamed and wild. Cumberland Island is Georgia's largest barrier island and one of its most mysterious. It's home to wild horses that roam freely along empty beaches. And the ruins of Dungeness Mansion tell stories of a forgotten era. Accessible only by ferry, it's a world where time seems to stand still. 6. Augusta, moving inland. Augusta sits gracefully along the Savannah River and is world famous for hosting the Masters Golf Tournament. But beyond the greens, Augusta is rich in art. music, and southern hospitality. The Riverwalk and historic downtown showcase how tradition and creativity blend perfectly here. Seven, Athens, known as the birthplace of American indie rock. Athens is a lively college town with a strong, creative soul. It's home to the University of Georgia and a thriving arts and music scene. That shaped bands like REM and the B-52s. Every street corner feels alive with color, rhythm, and youthful energy. If you could spend a day anywhere in Georgia, would you choose the coast, the city, or the countryside? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to see your favorite. 8. Dahlonega, tucked in the North Georgia mountains. Dahlonega is famous as the site of America's first gold rush in 1828. Its charming downtown, surrounded by wineries and scenic trails, feels like stepping back into the 1800s. Today, it's a peaceful mountain town where the spirit of discovery still lingers in the air. 9. Blue Ridge aerial views of Blue Ridge reveal endless mountains, shimmering lakes, and a town built for relaxation. It's known for its scenic railway that winds through forests and rivers, giving travelers a taste of Georgia's wild beauty. In autumn, this region transforms into a masterpiece of red and gold. 10. Macon, located in the heart of Georgia. Macon is where music history comes alive. It's the birthplace of legends like Little Richard and Otis Redding, and the city proudly celebrates its soul-filled heritage. Cherry blossom trees bloom across the city every spring, turning the streets into a sea of pink. Have you ever seen cherry blossoms in full bloom? They're even more stunning when seen from above. Soft clouds of color covering the city like a dream. 11. Thomasville. Often called the City of Roses, Thomasville is known for its southern charm and timeless beauty. It's home to the famous Big Oak, a 300-year-old tree that has become a local treasure. Historic homes, vintage shops, and gardens make this small town a living postcard of old Georgia. 12. Sapelo Island. Our journey ends at Sapelo Island, a remote coastal gem filled with untouched beaches and a unique cultural history. It's one of the last places in America where descendants of the Gullah Geechee people still live, preserving their rich African traditions and language. From the sky, Sapelo's salt marshes and tidal creeks look like veins of gold running through green velvet. Georgia's beauty lies not just in its landscapes, but in its soul, in the people, the stories, and the quiet moments that connect past and present. From mountain towns to coastal islands, every corner of this state feels like a piece of living history. So tell me, which place in Georgia captured your heart the most? Share your answer below. I always love reading your thoughts and travel dreams. And if you enjoyed this aerial journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another trip around this beautiful world.